In the city, remember you used to drive fine. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson, are you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on, like you haulin', I know. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password. Slide City, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide City, slide. Plenty other men tryna get in the bed, so I'ma get lost instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? What would I do if I didn't love you, baby? What would I do if I didn't love you, baby? What would I do? What would I if I didn't love you? In the city, remember you used to drive fine. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson, are you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on, like you haulin', I know. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password. Slide City, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide City, slide. Plenty other men tryna get in the bed, so I'ma get lost instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? What would I do if I didn't love you, baby? In the city, remember you used to drive fine. I pick up whenever you.
Cheyenne, Wyoming. It was worse than this earlier, but looked like the little snowstorm that passes up some. Kind of warming up some out here, I guess. We're on our way to Missouri, I reckon. Say hi to me. Say hi. Deuces.
I do not want to be in your camera. I'm in the middle of doing something.
Deuces.
And you just over here doing the most.
Hi, everybody.
Hey, y'all, but I was not ready for a camera.
Yeah. Oh, everything jiggled.
What's everything?
Everything. It was good, though.
Oh.
Don't be giving people too much of a show out here. Anyway, just want to say what up.
And we had to wait. We couldn't leave this morning because it's too bad over here in Cheyenne, Wyoming, where we did not want to get caught up, but we did get caught up. And we're going to Missouri, Kansas City, and this tornado was heading there. So
yes.
we damned if we do, damned if we don't.
So we're going to try to hit the tip of the storm.
No, not the tip. We're going to try to stay right outside the storm.
Right. That's what I meant. All right. We'll holler at y'all out here on this highway. Another trucker story to be continued out here. You feel me?
Another what?
Trucker story to be continued out here.
Fix it, Jesus.
Girl, we back on you. You gonna tell them bye? All right, y'all. That's all we gonna get today is.
Y'all hear that? What is that? Fixing to drop it into drive. That's an emergency alarm. It's probably saying, take your stuff off and get back in the bed. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm scared. I ain't no big girl for snow. Shut up, Daisy. You ain't got no ideas. That's the alarm. That's the emergency alarm. Remember they used to test this?
That's a tornado